How to get rid of dry eyes? 5 advanced home treatments. Dry eyes, a common condition resulting from inadequate tear production or poor tear quality, can cause discomfort, irritation, and even blurred vision. I want to share the top 5 advanced home treatments that can effectively alleviate dry eye symptoms. These methods offer relief and improved eye health. First, blink exercises. Practice soft blinking to stimulate tear production and distribute tears evenly across the eye surface. This is especially important during extended screen time. We need to initiate tear production with regular blinking. Don't let your eyes dry out. Blinking every second is important. You cannot harm with blinking. Second, eye exercises. By doing eye exercises with light eye movements, you will stimulate tear production and train eye muscles. If you want an in-depth eye training course, Eyesight Academy, a link in the description below. Third, reduce screen time. Extended screen time can lead to decreased blinking, exacerbation, dry eye symptoms. Take regular breaks every 20 minutes for your eyes to rest and recover. Or, if it's your phone, 1 minute use and 1 minute rest. It will help your eyes to stay healthy. Fourth, hydrotherapy. For eyes, alternate between warm and cold water splashes onto your closed eyes to encourage blood circulation and relieve eye dryness. Just wash your face to reduce eye strain and relieve clamps. Fifth, eye massage, a gentle facial massage. This promotes tear gland function and help improve tear quality. Eyebrows massage can help to reduce strains and refresh your eyes. Summary: dry eyes can significantly impact your quality of life, but with this advanced home treatment, you have a range of options to alleviate discomfort and promote eye health. By doing regularly, you can find lasting relief from dry eyes and maintain eye health.